fear will never go away. Fear will forever be a part of everyone's life. There will always be something to be afraid of. If it's not going to literally physically kill your life, do it. Like, do it. You cannot be scared to take the risk. This is life. Oh, I have always cooked. I am a first generation American. My parents are British, Indian, Jamaican. There's a lot of culture happening there, and a woman's place was in the kitchen. So from a very young age, I was cooking with my family. It just was always a part of my life, and I didn't really even know what I wanted to do with myself. I thought I wanted to be a psychologist. I was like, this is it. I'm going to do this. And then, in high school, they take you to see different career paths and all of that. And we went to like mental institution, and I'm like, oh, this is what I want to do with my life. I'm sure there are lots of different types of therapists, but like I was just completely turned. Like it was too much on my heart. And I'm like, damn. And again, I'm going to bring it full circle. What am I good at? What was I already good at? I'm already good at cooking. It's something I'm going to have to do anyway. I was taught very young, you have to cook for your husband. You have to cook for your family. You have to, these are your tasks. This is your duty as a woman. So I monetized it, and it paid off very well for me. Well, I created a proposal once I found out that the NBA bubble was even happening, just to ask to be an approved vendor. I wanted to be able to service multiple players, not just one. I guess once they read it and reviewed my plan and everything, they offered me a space in the executive chef kitchen. So how did I prepare? I had 9 days to figure it out. So you got to pivot. That's that business owner mentality. My days started at about 4 a.m. From about 4 to 6-ish, I would go over the pre-orders that we received the night before. If there was any menu changes, I would make sure that the graphic designer was on it so that it would be done by lunchtime. My work day was from around 7:30 when the restaurant opened. We closed around 5 o'clock, except for those last minute orders that we would always get at like 5:05, like, please, chef. In this place that we are, it is always work. You can't break down. You can't spaz out. You can't, like, there's racism going on. There's all this stuff going on that we are dealing with, and you can't really speak up about it. You can't make it a thing. This is not the place to protest. Like, it was just so much. Probably the most work that I have done in years, because it was a summation, I feel like, of every single job I've ever had. When they write about it in the history books and I'm in there, just know I earned that spot. Like, I have tattooed on my arm, never a failure, always a lesson, never give up. And I swear it's the truth. Like, the amount of times I invested my money into myself and it failed, the amount of times I made a poor business decision, all of those things made me into a fantastic entrepreneur. But I promise you, if you don't make a schedule, you'll never even make it there. So make a schedule for yourself. Understand your time is your money. If it doesn't work out, it's okay, because what you will learn from doing it, it will work out with the next thing you do. Not everything you do is going to be, oh, spectacular, great, fantastic. I mean, I've been a chef now 12, 13 years at this. I'm just getting some credit now. Like, don't worry. It will come.